Yo, what's up guys? We're taking out the Turbo FRS today. So I'm gonna take you guys through the day of driving it. We're going to actually go grab some food with a few of my friends right now. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick POV or some shots of the car. And here's the car. I'm gonna be telling you guys exactly what's going on while I'm with my friends or while I'm driving there. Basically the whole car is gonna completely change for the better. You guys hear that? The doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. That's my E85 starting. Super rough, but more power. So check out the setup for my gauges. So you have the boost, you have the oil, you have the coolant, and then you have the AFR. So it's like my old iPhone that I had. Instead of having gauges, so when, like for example, when a cop pulls me over, they don't see the gauges. It looks stock, it looks OEM, it looks like it's not boosted. So I'm about to go catch up with the boys. We're about to go get some Arabic food. So it'll be about a 10-minute drive, so I'll take you guys along with me. My transmission is not happy at all. It's grinding and grinding, especially in like second to third, and sometimes fourth. It doesn't even let me go into fourth if I just use this regular shifter, so I have to use the paddles. That's why if you guys see my hand right here, it's the paddle shifters. Apparently the restaurant is out in Victoria Gardens and Rancho Cucamonga. So I've never been here, so hopefully it's good. I really do, because the Arabic food is either hit or miss. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's really trash. There's really no in between. So I kind of hinted as to what's happening to my car, what I'm gonna be changing. So let's go over what I'm gonna be doing with the car, because honestly it's getting pretty bad what the situation is, but what I'm doing is gonna basically fix it and more. So you guys know I do have an auto transmission, and while I'm driving you can literally hear the gears grinding. So I am doing a full manual swap, and I'm gonna record every single process of it, and when I get home after eating with the boys, I'll show you guys what I have so far and what the steps are to do it. So we got the first guy, we got Golden 86. Say hi, Eric. Hi, Eric.
Oh yeah.
So we got the second guy. This guy's a little bit of an idiot. He also has an automatic, but it's okay, I did too. So we got the last one coming in, and we got Tony. Hi, Tony. What's up, Tony?
No, it's like
fancy. I don't know what I'm gonna get. What are you gonna get, Tony? One of everything or what?
the flat iron steak shish kebab. Damn, that shit $20.
Yo, $20. Yes.
It's 14.
I think we should leave. Honestly, this place is way too expensive.
6 hours.
So we finally got the food.
I just deleted it. Thank you so much.
So I'll give you guys my opinion after this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we just finished our food. Honestly, it wasn't bad. The food was decent, a little bit overpriced, but hey, it was like a solid 7 out of 10. Hey, what'd you say about yours? What'd you say?
Mine was pretty good. It was a little dry, but
bro,
pretty good food.
He's capping. He literally said that shit was terrible. He completely lied. So on to the next spot. So we just got to Dutch Bros, and honestly I don't really like it that much. It's like very mid, but then again I don't really like coffee or like sweet drinks or like teas or whatever. So I mean, unless it's like the very berry hibiscus from Starbucks, other than that, no way. Here it is. Everybody else is already there. I forgot the camera.
Look what I just found.
Huh?
Look what I just found.
Shoes? Dutch Bros.
What is this for you?
Oh, look what he found.
Like in test
To make the G37 actually swinging.
Yep. There you go. What is that? It's like test wipes. Something. I don't know. So we got something called like the what is it? The camp out cold brew. Apparently it's supposed to be like a mixture of sweet with a bunch of coffee because I'm low-key tired. I've been awake pretty early, so that's all we're gonna get. I'll show you guys how it looks. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully, because I got recommended by Eric right there. So we finally got our drink. It's actually pretty good, honestly.
Dude,
Eric hooked it up with the recommendation. I got my little brother. Still got it. He has
this weight is part of the experience.
Yeah, what is this?
It's an experience.
Golden Fiegel. Golden Fiegel. It's Golden Eagle. He lied to me. Yo, so one thing about Dutch Bros, they take forever. Like, I didn't realize we're there for like almost an hour, but I guess it was worth it. I mean, it's cheaper than Starbucks, so it's not too bad, right? But yeah, it definitely takes forever, so make sure you guys plan for that. Yo, sitting pretty. We got all the cars, the FRSs, FRS 86, G35, and RSX all the way back there. Oh, you can low-key see the intercooler. That's why I don't have my grill. Oh, it's kind of dark, but intercooler blow off. So here's all the parts that I have so far. There are 2 more parts I need until I can actually start the swap. So let me go over what exactly we have right here. So here are all the parts that I have. This one is the drive shaft, the manual drive shaft, because the manual and the auto are different. This one has all like some miscellaneous stuff like the starter. It comes with the clutch pedal. It comes with let's see what else, the master slave, and a few other small things in there. So that's what we have in this one. This one is the ABS module. So all of these have to be from a 2015 with electronics. So just keep that in mind because I have a 2015. This is the interior dash, so it comes with everything from the interior. So the cluster, the starter, the donor key, the donor the cylinder, the key turn signal cylinder, whatever you call that. It comes with the ECU, the BCM, and a few other modules, along with the actual wiring. This one is an ACT stage 4 clutch. I mean, stage 4 doesn't really mean anything, but it's rated for around 400 torque, which is more than enough for my car. And I do need a few more things though. I'll talk about that right now. So the things that I do need is the actual transmission, like the bell housing, the linkage, and all that stuff. I do need to get an upgraded fork, a forged fork, so it doesn't snap on me. And I also need the front harness, which is basically the, what do you call that? The fuse box. So the fuse box harness, so because it's different. Other than that, we are ready to manual swap, and then I'll keep you guys updated when I do get those parts and show you guys how it's done. So I want to say thank you for all the people that watch. It's not that much, but hopefully we grow. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, and then comment what you guys want me to do next. If you guys want me to go in depth or whatever it is about the manual swap. I'll be posting some vlogs here and there about what I do. But thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that bell icon. Stay notified because I will be posting some bangers for you guys.